Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious taco salad bowl. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so for this recipe I'm going to use chicken breast, but of course you can always use ground beef. I have 2 pounds of chicken breast and I just cut them into small little cubes. So to that we're going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of black pepper. So just mix it in there. And I'm going to use 2 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, and I just dice them into small little pieces as well. And I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the sauce. And of course, if you don't want your meat to be spicy, then just add a little bit of chipotle. All right, so now just mix it all together. So just make sure that your chicken is fully coated. All right, so now we're just going to let our chicken sit there while we work on our rice. All right, so for our rice, we're going to grab a medium frying pan. We're going to set it on medium-high heat. And we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. So we're just going to wait for that to heat up. All right, guys, so we're going to be making this rice al estilo huevón, as my mom would say. Okay, so we're going to use 1 cup of rice. So throw it in as soon as your oil is hot. So now we're just going to we're going to fry our rice. So we're going to fry our rice until our rice has turned into a beautiful golden color. All right, so after a few minutes, our rice should look something like this. So now we're going to add 8 ounces of tomato sauce. Okay, so mix it. And to that, we're going to add 1 cup and 3/4 of water. Alright, so for our seasonings, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, a half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So throw it all in there. So now mix it all. So just mix it all in there. And at this point you can try and see how the flavor is. And if for you it needs anything, you can go ahead and add it. But for me this is perfect. So now we're just going to reduce the heat to low. Cover it and let that cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so after 30 minutes, our rice should be fully cooked and it's done. So now we're just going to set it to the side, keep it warm, so like that we can start working on our bowls. All right guys, so now to make our bowls, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. All right, so while our oven is preheating, we're going to grab a large frying pan. We're going to set it on medium-high heat. And to that, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. So let that heat up. All right, so once our oil is hot, we're going to grab our extra large flour tortilla and we're going to fry it for 50 seconds on each side. Make sure that it's fully coated with the oil. And then after 50 seconds, we're going to flip it over. All right, so just make sure that you're moving your tortilla around so like that the oil is all over the tortilla. Use a spatula if you need to. Okay, so after 50 seconds, we're going to flip it over and do the same to the other side. After 50 seconds, this is what your tortilla should look like. So now for this part, you're going to need an oven-safe bowl. So that's what we're going to be using to mold our bowl. So just press it down to form the bowl. All right, so now just place it on top of a cookie sheet because we're going to be placing it in the oven. All right guys, so once we have our taco bowls ready, we're going to place them in our oven and we're going to bake them for 12 to 15 minutes or until they're nice and golden. All right, so while we wait for our bowls, we're going to begin to cook our chicken. So I'm going to be using the same frying pan that I used to cook my tortillas. I'm going to grab a little bit of oil and my pan's already hot. So now I'm going to throw in 1/4 of an onion and 1 minced garlic clove. So cook that for a couple minutes. I have it set on medium-high heat. Alright, so after a couple minutes, we're going to throw in our chicken. And now we're just going to cook our chicken for 7 minutes or until it's fully cooked. Alright guys, so at 6 minutes, check your chicken and see if it's cooked. Mine is fully cooked already, so now it's done. So now we're just gonna wait for our taco bowls. Alright guys, so after 12 minutes, our taco bowls are done. So now carefully just remove them from the glass and place them on your plate. Now we are ready for the fun part. Alright guys, so now for the fun part. So we're going to start by grabbing some lettuce, and of course, all of that toppings are going to be optional and up to your liking. I'm going to grab some lettuce, place it on my bowl, and make sure that your lettuce is not wet so like that doesn't mess up the bowl. Okay, so grab your rice. I'm going to grab our chicken. Add a good amount. Okay, I'm going to add some cheese. Some jalapenos. Some pico de gallo. Some sour cream. Some avocado. And some restaurant style salsa. Okay. And now we are ready to enjoy our super easy and delicious taco bowl salad. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. Just break your shell. Of course, you want to start with the fork and then work your way down, or just go for it. Cheers. Seriously, super delicious. The chicken, the rice, so flavorful, so fresh. I hope you give it a try. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a delicious taco salad bowl. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.